Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we'll discuss how you can record audio or video calls on WhatsApp. So let's get started. For this, you need to make sure that you have screen recorder on your phone. If you don't have a screen recorder, then you can download it from Play Store. One such app is Screen Recorder. Go to Google Play Store and type Screen Recorder, and here you can get so many apps. Click on any one and install it on your phone. So close this. I have a screen recorder in my phone, so I'll show you how you can do this. Head to WhatsApp, go to calls. Let's say I want to call this person. Click on continue. Now search for the screen recorder option, like it is given here, screen recorder. Click on it and you'll start recording the call. To record the audio call on WhatsApp, you need to first turn on voice recorder on your phone. Turn on your voice recorder, and if you don't have voice recorder, then you can download it from Google Play Store. Any of the voice recorder will do. Close this. Head to WhatsApp. Call anyone you like. As you will talk, your voice will get recorded in the voice recorder. In this way, you can record any video call on WhatsApp. So this was the video where we talked about how you can record audio or video calls on WhatsApp. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.